welcome back to my channel Foodie Chatty. Today in Yum Yum recipe we are going to make Oreo pancakes. These are very soft and gooey from inside, which you can make for breakfast as well as evening snacks. So let's begin. So here I have taken 2 packets of Oreo biscuits. Make sure you take large packet of biscuit, and now we have to break them into small pieces. Ensure they are as small as possible. Now take a jar and grind it to form a fine powder. Now let's grind it. Now the powder is ready. Look at that. I'm adding 150 ml of milk to ensure the mixture is neither too thin nor too thick. Now we will add 1/4 tablespoon of baking soda, half tablespoon of baking powder. Grind this mixture again so that the lumps are removed completely. Look, the batter is ready. Now pour the batter into a bowl. It looks too chocolatey and yummy already. And this is the flowing consistency we need. Perfect. Now let's make pancakes. Heat a pan on low-medium flame. Grease it with some oil or butter. Now pour a spoonful of batter on the pan and let it cook for about 1 to 2 minutes. You can see within 1 minute air bubbles are popping out. And this is the perfect time to flip it. It just took less than 2 minutes. It's time to flip, and there you go. As you can see, it is too soft and chocolatey that it's gonna melt in your mouth. It is chocolatey from outside and airy from inside. As you can see, these air bubbles. Perfect. So, if you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up, share this with your friends and family, and do subscribe my channel. Do it right now. Similarly, I have made the another one. As soon as the air bubbles pop out, you need to flip it and cook for 1 to 2 minutes, and it's ready to serve. You can serve it hot with some cold ice cream on the top. Garnish with some choco chips and chocolate syrup. Hope you all like this amazing recipe. Do let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.